Here's a comparison between two wires. That's a little bit thicker, the green one's a little bit thinner. Both of them are connected to the same side of this 12-volt plug. This wire is also thin, so that is also reducing the power. Listen to the sound, how much amperage can be drawn from a thin wire compared to a little bit thicker wire. So it will be more silent through this one and more noisy, the compressor, through this one. Silent and noisy. That's a thin wire, that's a thicker wire. So it makes a large difference. Now I will replace both wires. The difference is not huge, thickness wise, but conductivity wise it is. That's a huge difference. So before only the right side, the plus, was blocking the current. Now both of them are conducting much better.